Bismillah, my name is starting with the great name of Allah who is most Rahman and Rahim. Today we will discuss on the artificial intelligence. Before starting my topic, it is requested to my friend kindly subscribe my channel LabokJabok so that you can get new videos. So friends, today we will discuss on videos about artificial intelligence, what is artificial intelligence, positive and negative impact of artificial intelligence. Impact of artificial intelligence is also the part of this topic. So basically artificial intelligence AI is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machine that can perform a task that typically required human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech decision making, and language translation. So AI is also develop more accurate and efficient diagnostic tool, as well as to create the personalized treatment plans based on the patient unique genetic makeup. So we will highlight some advantage and disadvantage of AI, artificial intelligence. So basically artificial intelligence has the potential to impact on lives in many ways, both positive and negative. Here are some ways in which AI can impact our lives. Number one advantage is it is the pattern decision making. AI can analyze vast amount of data and pattern. This can help an individual and organization make more informed and accurate decision. In a general way, we can say that the artificial intelligence involved in programming or coding. Another biggest achievement of artificial intelligence is it can reduce human error. On the similarly, we can say that there is the risk of the cost. Artificial intelligence is basically defined, like we can say that the unemployment, basically high product cost. It is the basic disadvantages of artificial intelligence. So guys, hope you like this video, so please subscribe my channel, comment and share. Thanks for watching my channel for a while. Love.